Linis Pure Water Systems. Water for the way you live. Our bodies are 70% water. Drinking an ample amount of fresh, clean water on a daily basis is vital to our health and well-being. But most of today's tap water is supplied by treatment plants where the water is filtered and treated with chemicals like chlorine, and then pumped through miles of decaying pipes and infrastructure. By the time it reaches the tap, your drinking water is anything but pure. Known for its convenience and good taste, bottled water is a very popular alternative to tap water. Unfortunately, this convenience comes at a high cost to consumers and to our planet. The processing, packaging, and delivery of bottled water consumes millions of barrels of oil and emits tons of carbon emissions into the atmosphere. Each year, Americans spend over $10 billion on bottled water. So what can you do to make sure that the water you drink is good for you, good for the planet, and good for your budget? The President's Panel for Reducing Environmental Cancer Risk recommends that individuals and families filter their tap water to reduce exposure to known or suspected carcinogens and toxic chemicals, stating, "Filtering tap or well water can decrease exposure to numerous known or suspected carcinogens and endocrine-disrupting chemicals. It is preferable to use filtered tap water instead of commercially bottled water. Storing or carrying water in stainless steel or glass containers will reduce exposure to chemicals that may leach into water from plastics. This action will also decrease the need for plastic bottles, the manufacture of which produces toxic byproducts, and reduce the need to dispose of and recycle plastic bottles." While today's tap water can contain a wide range of contaminants, Linis reverse osmosis systems tackle the broadest spectrum of water impurities possible. First, the sediment filter captures particulates like dirt, rust, sand, and silt. A carbon filter then removes volatile organic compounds as well as chlorine, benzene, trihalomethanes, radon, solvents, and hundreds of other man-made chemicals. The reverse osmosis membrane removes impurities at the submicron level. Only RO technology is capable of reducing impurities ranging from pesticides and fertilizers to dissolved metals like lead and iron to arsenic and radium, and right on down to bacteria, viruses, and even trace pharmaceuticals. A post-carbon filter gives the water a final polish, leaving you with a continuous supply of safe, clean, and delicious drinking water. And speaking of delicious, just think how great your favorite foods and beverages will taste when they're made with pure water. There's a Linis reverse osmosis system to meet any home or office drinking water need. They're good for you, good for the planet, and good for your budget. Linis Pure Water Systems. Water for the way you live.